Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing to do. I've already taken it out of the box. This is another glasses review from Lensmart. As you can see on the name, the company name is Lensmart, and I'll be unboxing. They sent me all those 5 glasses. They're both fashion glass and sunglasses and prescription. So if you're looking for prescription, you can upload your prescription on their website and they will fill it and send it back to you. So I'll be unboxing it. This is the first one that I got, and it comes with this box. It comes with this this is like a felt fabric for the case, and it has Lensmart on it, and it comes with this. The first one is this is the sunglasses. So I'll be taking out the one I have, and I'll be putting the name on the screen. This one is the sunglasses and it's called Caddy. This is how it looks. It's really fashionable. I like it. I like the fact that it's not too dark. You can still see through it. So this is the first one, and it's cutting. So guys, I will also be doing a giveaway of some of those glasses. So if you're interested, stay till the end, and I'll tell you all the criteria for you to win any of those glasses. So the second one also came with this, and it has this microfiber material you can use to clean the lens, and it comes with this pamphlets, and this is just a thank you note on it. So this second one is it comes with a blue light lens. So, and it has this animal print on the handle and also on this frame. I think it's called the tortoise shell print, and I'll be trying it on. So this is the second one, and I'll be inserting the name. Let me see, the name is Mali. So I'll be inserting the name. This is Mali. That's how it looks on me. And it mostly has clear frame. So moving on, let's go to the next one. So this third one is called McCain. It's like a champagne color. It's also like champagne color frame, and I'll be trying it on. So this is it. So moving on to the fourth one. This one also came with the case, and it has the microfiber inside it. And this is the additional one that was added to my order. It has this protective casing on the side, and I also have this animal print. I think this is the tortoise shell, and it looks like this. Beautiful. So I think this is more like protective, like protects from air entering into your eyes if there's like a wind or so the last one is this one. Also comes with the microfiber material, and it comes with this additional it's like a what is it called? It's like a chain and it's like a jewelry added to the, you can add it to any of the glasses, and you can wear this like this. It is gorgeous. So this is the last one, and I hope you like these glasses. They offered me, there's a discount code I'll be listing on the description and also on the screen. If you want to order it, you get additional 25% off for any of my subscribers that want to order it from Lensmart. So I'll be listing down their website in the description, so you can go and check out what they have. And I think this last one I think the name is Baron. I'll be including all their names on the screen. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, I'll be listing all the criteria on the description box. It's just you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You have to hit the like button, and you have to put like a code keyword glasses on the comment of this video. So good luck if you're participating, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. It's my only solution.